Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Thank you for joining me again this week. We're going to make a maple leaf today, and I wanted to show you guys this. You're probably thinking, wow, that's stupid simple. And in all honesty, it is. Sometimes as an artisan blacksmith or just somebody that does ironwork on the side or just a hobbyist, those simple things is what pays the bills. And this is one of those items. This item sells extremely well. I do so many of them that I actually made a wooden template so that it doesn't get destroyed from getting wet from the marker after so many uses. It makes a really pretty decorative piece. It can be personalized. What I'll do today is I'll dish this a little bit after I score it, and then we'll use the torch and we'll brass it. Makes a really cool decorative piece. Like I said, you can either hang it on the wall, you can put it on a table. It's just extremely versatile and people love them. So, follow along today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Let's get started.